In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 5 middle key and 5 of array input method. And they all belong to letter G on a keyboard. And 5, according to the array input method fundamental key, is right turn, or the originally they would call it clockwise curve. Okay? Or hook like this one. So let's begin with the first one. The first one, you can see these two characters, they all have it, which is right here. This is one stroke, 5, okay, right here, 5. Okay, so let's take a look for this one. The first stroke is 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And continue, this is wood. This is 4-8, 4 cross, and 8, 4-8 is at 4 lower. Okay, and continue, we have this 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And then the last stroke right here, this is a 5 right turn, so 5 5 middle and space. Okay, and next one begins with this 9 left falling, so 9 middle, and continue, this is a 5 right turn, so 5 middle, and continue right here. This stroke, you can see this is 5 also, 5 as right turn, so we hit 5 middle. And the last one right here is a 4 cross, so 4 middle and space. Okay, the next radical 5 is right here. You can see right here, one stroke, 1, okay, 5. And this one also, you can see 5 here. Okay, so this one begins with 4 cross and 1 horizontal, 4 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper. And we have this 9 right here, 9 as left falling, so 9 middle. And then we have 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. And the last stroke right here is 5, so we hit 5 middle and space. Okay, next one, the left hand side we have 2 1, begins with 2 left turn and with 1 horizontal. 2 1 is at 2 upper. And continue, we have this is a 9, so we hit 9 middle, fundamental key. And continue, this is 5 right here, so we hit 5 middle. And we've done 3, so we go to the last one, which is right here, 9 middle again, and space. Okay, the next radical 5 is right here. You can see this stroke. This is 1 stroke all the way down here, 5. This is also 5. So if you would like to type this character, you begin with 0 square, 0 middle, and continue. This is 5, so we hit 5 middle. And the bottom, this is 1 and 8 person. 1A. 1A is at 1 lower and space. Okay, the next 5 you're gonna see is right here. The first stroke is 5 here. This hook. So right turn 5. Okay, so 5 middle. And continue, 3 vertical, 3 middle. And the last stroke is 2 left turn. So left turn, 2 middle and space. Okay, next one, first stroke 5 middle, and this stroke right here is 3 vertical, 3 middle and space. Alright, and the next 2 character you can see is a hook right here. This is also called 5 right here, like this one, 5. Okay, so if you would like to type this one, begin with the 7 lid right here, 7 lid, 7 middle. And continue, we have 1 9, 1 horizontal, and 9 lat falling. 1 9 is at 1 lower. And continue, this is 5, 5 middle, and end with 2 left turn. So 2 middle, and space. Alright, next one, begin with 8 1, 8 2 dots, and 1 horizontal. 8 1 is at 8 upper. And we have 1A here, 1 horizontal, 8 person, 1 8. 1A is at 1 lower. And continue, this is 5, so we hit 5 middle. And the last stroke, just like this one, 2. So 2 middle, space. Alright, the next 5 we're going to see is right here. This curve right here. This right turn is a 5. So this one begins with left hand side at 2 lower. Okay, begins with 2. And the radical 8 and 6, they also belong the lower part. Okay, and continue. This is 5, so we hit 5 middle. And last we have 4 cross and 1 horizontal. 4 1. 4 1 is at 4 upper and space. Alright, the next 3 are exceptions. They don't follow the rules, the 10 fundamental keys, but the array input method just put them in 5 middle. Okay, the first one is ma. Okay, so this character without these 4 dots here is a radical we call 5. So how do you memorize it? Look at here. This here is also a 5, though it's not the first stroke, but you can remember it right here. There's a 5 here. So if you would like to this one, 5 middle, and continue. 4 dots. 8 8 is at A lower and space. Okay, the next exception is right here. The stone on the left hand side is also exception. So 5 middle, you're gonna have this one. Okay, so if you're typing this one, 5 middle, continue. We have 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And right here, we have 8 4. You can see 8 2 dots and 4 cross. 8 4 is at 8 upper and space. First one. Okay, the last one here. The upper part, this is also 5, and the reason array input method put 5 here is because sometimes people write the first stroke. I show you. Sometimes people write first stroke as a dot, and some people write as a left fallen, and even sometimes people write in horizontal line. So in this case, we pick the second stroke, which is 5 right here. Okay, so the second stroke is 5, so we hit 5 middle. Okay, and if you would like to type this one, you can see the first one is right here, stone, and the second one is this radical. Okay, so we go back 5 middle, continue. We have person on the side, person, 8 middle, and the rest begin with dot 6 and with 1 horizontal. So this is a 6 1. 6 1 is at 6 upper and space. First one. Okay, the next and the last is 5 5. Okay, so right here you can see if you don't look at the I in the middle, here's the I. If you don't look at the middle, the rest here begin with 5. Like I said, this is this one stroke here is a 5, and end with this stroke 5. So this radical is 5 5. If you would like to type this one, no worries. We hit 7 middle, which is I. Okay, 7 middle, and the rest is 5 5. 5 5 is at 5 middle. So we hit 5 middle and space. There you go. Alright, that's all for the radicals of array input method. The 5 middle key. We have 5 fundamental key, and we also have 5 5. They all belong to letter G on your keyboard. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.